Ever feel like AI is moving so fast that just watching tutorials isn't enough anymore? Because in 2026, the engineers getting ahead are not ones consuming the most content, they are the ones who are building deep focus, real system, and practical AI workflows. And that's exactly what this program is about. Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share an amazing program that is by Code Vipassana. What is it? We'll cover everything in detail. So make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's come directly to the page over here and let me tell you what is it. So it is a practice-based system designed for engineers, AI practitioners. It is open for everyone. There is no any limitation that you need to be from engineering background only to participate in this event. Now here you'll be learning to master modern AI engineering in the age of agents. Okay. Now, currently they are in season 15. We have already covered multiple seasons previously, including all the tutorials. This time we have agentic data cloud in action and evaluation. And this is not basic surface level tech they teach. They teach step by step guide how you have to build if you are building for any of your startup or just want to learn about it. So you can see there are multiple sessions. Total 5 sessions are there. Okay. So what we have to do, first of all, you have to register over here, and then there'll be hands-on training. You can complete the code labs like yourself also, or if you need a tutorial, you can comment down below. Although I will make a video for that also. So you have to complete all these code labs. Okay. Now, first of all, let me just show you how you have to just register. So simply, first of all, you need to have a Gmail account over here, and then just click on join directly or sign in. Just click on sign in with Google and just register with the same Gmail. Okay, here you can use any Gmail. There is no limitation. So just select it. Now, after that, once it is selected, if it asks to allow all the permission, just allow it and click on next. Now, once you click on next, it will ask for basic details. You have to just mention it. Select your role, student, learner, or working professional. You can mention it and simply click on register over here. Once you are registered, you are successfully in this program. You'll be getting the mail regarding all the updates and how to do the submission. We'll cover that also. In simple words, how to submit the lab results. Let me just show you. Okay. So here, whatever labs and whatever sessions they have mentioned over here, you have to just open the code lab. What you can do, let me just open it. You have to read all the contents from here. Okay, all the contents, you can complete it, all the setup and take the screenshot and you have to attach it. First of all, come over here, sign in with the same account so that it is completely matched. Okay, all your data is matched over here. So you have to first of all sign in. So once you are signed in, you have to allow permission. So from here, you have to choose the event and then choose the session. You can see multiple sessions are there. If I just come to the home page, you can see multiple sessions are there. Their title is also mentioned. Okay. So you have to just select that particular title and you can see they have asked what submission you have to do. For example, for this particular challenge, we have to do the submission of this query. Okay. And we have to show our project ID also. They have clearly mentioned. Sorry, project name will be also mentioned over here. I'll make a video regarding the submission. Be careful with the submission because they are asking only 3 attempts will be allowed. Okay. And is there any swag? Yes, they give swags to the top performers. So if you perform well, you'll be getting the swags too. Like this, you can see multiple challenges are there. You have to just see whatever screenshot they have mentioned. Okay. You have to attach it. For example, some of you are facing billing issue. Then you have to just show the both results. Okay, the total accuracy and the groundness in the last screenshot of that particular step. Okay. So if you still have any doubts, you can let in the comment section. We have covered multiple events out here. Take the benefit of all the opportunities. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.